Let us summarize all these activities. Here, having good CV, we should focus our activities in two sections. One is we should develop ourselves in technical section, as well as we should develop ourselves in non-technical section. Under technical section, major development comes as a project. Every university has prescribed a final year project and a mini project. Apart from this final year project and mini project, it is expected that you should develop your own project, which may not be related to curriculum but from your syllabus content. Doing this project will add values into you that skills related to the project developments will be get inculcated or will be get sharpened. At the same time, your domain knowledge will be get sharpened. So it is expected that student should do at least one small project during every semester. Next is the paper presentation. During your first year and second year, you should learn how to compile the content, how to write a paper, how the papers are presented. And during your third year and final year, you will be doing paper presentations. These paper presentations can be your intra-college activities or your inter-college activities or national level paper presentation or university level paper presentations. Participate into these activities. Participation into this paper presentation competition will help you in boosting your confidence level, in sharpening your soft skills, presentation skills. As well, you will come to know what kind of a technical activities, what kind of a technical projects are done by students of other institutes. So what kind of the technical projects you should also do, that you will definitely come to know after this paper presentation. Institute will be organizing different training programs. These training programs can be of the technical in nature or can be of non-technical in nature. You must attend seriously all these training programs organized by the institute, so that you will have the knowledge gain also, your domain knowledge will be get increased. Now, after undergoing these training programs, then you start delivering these trainings to the first year and second year student. So whatever knowledge you have gained by attending these training programs, or the knowledge which you have gained by writing the papers, or the knowledge which you have gained while developing the project, all this knowledge you start delivering it to first year and second year student. Under non-technical activities, you must participate in games. Games doesn't mean that you should only run 100 meter, 200 meter or relay or weightlifting. If your body physiology is not suitable for that, then you can play the games like chess. The major advantage of playing games is one will get training to face the failure. It is not necessary that whatever you are doing, whatever activities you are carrying out, everywhere you should be successful only. Many times we learn more things through failures. It is necessary that our mind should be developed to face the failures also. Cultural activities also you should participate, so that your social aspect will be get exhibited. You can participate in university level competitions, you can participate in zonal level competition, you can participate in inter college activities. So whatever cultural activity you like, you participate into that cultural activity at least during your college days. College days means college festivals. At least during your college festivals. Then hobbies. As I mentioned earlier, you must maintain the hobbies. Means whatever you like, you keep doing that. And by this time, if you are not identified that what hobby you are having, or if you feel that you don't have any hobby, then try to find out by doing what activities you will get pleasure, you will be happy. Keep doing these activities, keep practicing these activities. In the hobby section, we have seen in detail about how hobbies will be helpful into the placement. Interpersonal skills, keep doing different activities so that your interpersonal skills will be get developed, your soft skills will be get developed, your presentation skills will be get developed, your vocabulary will be get matured. If you do all these activities with proper planning, your CV will be very strong and it will help you in developing your bright future. Please like, share and subscribe these videos. Keep visiting this channel for new videos. Thank you.